Now we are going to see how to grow carrot in our home garden. Carrot, it's very orange in color, no? Lovely orange color, carrot. Okay. While buying the carrot, you have to choose a carrot which have a green growth in the upside. Okay, choose that carrot and smaller size. The carrot should be finger size carrots are good enough. Okay, choose that kind of carrot for sowing. So choose that carrot, and you know it, carrot is which part of the plant? Carrot is the root part of the plant. Okay, so you can see some roots also there at the sides of the carrot. Okay, choose that carrot for sowing the carrot, and make a small pit in that soil and keep a carrot in upright. Okay, this is the root part, so keep a carrot in upright and leave the top portion like this. Okay, so water it regularly and it gives result after 2-3 weeks. It gives only slow growth. Okay, carrot grows very slowly, but you have to take care and wait patiently. பொறுமையா wait பண்ணணும். Okay, so it will grow very within 1 month or 2 months. If you see the flower of the carrot, it is very nice, white small flowers. Okay, so you can see the carrot and potato won't give that much result. It won't grow. It give the smaller small potatoes and small carrot only come. Okay, we can't expect the good result from that, but it will grow in the pot. Home garden, we can grow it. Clear, children? Now we are going to see the next vegetable, ginger. How to grow ginger in our pots. Okay, for that you have to choose a ginger like this. So the note should be there in the ginger. Okay, look at those points. Those are the points, we call it as notes. Okay, you choose that kind of ginger, and the fresh ginger. You should not buy a dried one. Okay, you should buy a fresh ginger which have notes in it. Sow that ginger in the pot. Okay, you already kept the soil. Prepare the soil, no? Keep the pot ready for sowing the ginger. Clear, children? Then you plant the ginger in that soil and it will start grow. So the ginger it will sprout. Look at that, it's sprouting, no? So this sprout within 2-3 weeks it will sprout, and it keep the ginger fresh which is in the soil. It keep that ginger fresh, and few branches also will come. Okay, then so we finish. What are the vegetables we finish? Potato, tomato, onion, carrot and ginger. Now we are going to see the another vegetable, chilies. While choosing the chili, you have to choose the ripe chili. Nalla palutta milaga, palama choose. Okay. Dried red chili is also good, but if you choose the ripe red chilies, it is well and good. Okay, choose that kind of chilies and remove the outer peel and take the seeds out. Okay, see, while take the seeds out, it is very காரமா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? So it's hot chilies. So you should be very careful. You should not keep your finger over your nose or your eyes. Okay, you should be very careful. Take those red chilies, the flakes, that are seeds. Okay, those seeds, and keep it, sow it in soil. Okay, sowing na videkkirathu. Sow it in soil, and over that water, and wait for few days. After 4-5 days, you get a small sprout like this. Okay, so you can transplant this from here to some other bigger part, or you can grow it as it is also. Okay, transplanting அந்த நாத்தை எடுத்து இன்னொரு இடத்துல நடுறதுக்கு பேரு transplanting. Okay, the smaller saplings, plant saplings can be planted in some other area, that is smaller saplings we are changing, no, that we call it as transplantation. But here we are going in a small pot only, no, we can grow it here itself. So green chilies will give result within 1 month, but few chilies will come, and you should take care of the weeds, and you have to remove the stones, other twigs, everything in the soil, and you have to water the plant regularly. The plant should be in sunset, check it, and you should not disturb the pot. As usual for all the plants we are keeping, because we are doing it home gardening, we should not disturb the pot off. Okay, changing the position of the plant, that means the position of the pot, it should not be done. Then green chilies also we finished. Then brinjal, katrika, okay, eggplant. So big size are that we call it as eggplant. Now we are going to grow brinjal. How to do that? So for that you have to buy a brinjal which is yellow in color. That means fully ripe and nalla palamana kathirikai. Palamana kathirikai. To take that brinjal and remove the seeds from it, or you can cut the brinjal into many pieces. You can sow it as such, or you can take the brinjal seeds and sow it in soil and water that properly. Okay, what is the main thing you have to notice? You have to take a fully matured, fully ripened, nalla palutha brinjal. You have to choose the fully ripened brinjal, and that seeds are grow well in the soil. Okay, the green brinjal won't grow properly. Okay, it's not a matured seed. Matured seeds only germinate, mulaikum. Yeah. So the matured seeds are inside the fully matured brinjal. Palama, yellowish brinjal. So choose that brinjal and take the seeds out of that and sow the seeds in the pot. Clear? Then fenugreek seeds, vendaya seeds, vendayam. Okay, that you have to soak the seeds for 1 day in water. For sowing the fenugreek seeds, you have to soak the seeds. We can't sow it directly in the soil. Soak the seeds and it. Wait for 1 day for the growth of the, what is that, germination. The small sprout will comes out from the fenugreek seed. Wait for the sprout to come out. The 1 inch sprout. If you see 1 inch sprout, that sprout, it is ready for that to sow in the soil. Okay, this fenugreek vendayam, it will give rise to கீரை வகைகள்ல ஒன்று. Okay, வெந்தய கீரைகள். Okay, so greens, those leaves are good for the cleaning the stomach. So fenugreek seeds we can grow like this. Okay, it is very quickly, it grow very quickly compared to all other these vegetables. Fenugreek seeds grow very quickly. Within 10 days you can harvest, and the seeds, the leaves நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். அப்படியே மேலாக கட் பண்ணி leaves எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, we can use it for our cooking, கீரை சமைக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Then coriander seeds. Coriander also grow quickly, but while choosing the seeds, that big size seeds should be there. Okay, take a coriander seeds and crush the seeds in, or keep it in palm and crush the seeds and show it in soil. It will start sprout within 2 days, and like that fenugreek, you can take a coriander within 10 days. Okay, the leaves. Coriander grow very quickly. Then mint. We are buying mint from the market, no? So that Mint. After removing the mint, we are throwing the stem out. Okay. Instead of that, don't throw the stem. Keep the stem. Take a thick stem. Okay. Choose the thick stem. Don't throw those thick stems at all outside. Keep those thick stems which have nodes in it. What is the nodes? The point where the leaf starts grow in the stem. The point where the leaf starts grow in the stem. That point we call it as node. Okay, we remove the leaf. Okay, the empty stem is there, no? With the node, keep that stem. Okay, thickened stem. Keep it straight in the soil. Those stem will sprout again. The stem will sprout again. So the mint plant will get. Okay. So for this you have to take care. Menus will be applied. This cocoa peat, tenganar. Those cocoa peat should be applied. Water the pot regularly. Keep it in sunshade. So if you follow this kind of safety measures, the plant will grow very well. Okay, mint, pudina. Then